Lecture number 15, Changing Views and Navigating Documents. Switching views in Microsoft Word can make editing and reviewing easier when working on a long document. The View tab allows you to adjust the appearance of your document, helping you focus on writing, layout, or structure. Navigating efficiently also saves time, especially in multi-page documents with sections or headings. Tools like the navigation pane or zoom options help you move through content quickly. Today, we will explore how to adjust document views and use navigation tools to improve readability and workflow. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use different document views for various tasks, navigate long documents efficiently using the navigation pane and go-to feature, adjust zoom and layout settings for better readability. Changing document views. Different views in Microsoft Word serve distinct purposes, whether you are writing, formatting, or reviewing a document. Choosing the right view makes your work easier. Types of document views. To access different views, go to the View tab and choose from the following options. We'll go to the View tab. Here is the Read mode, optimized for reading, hides toolbars. The next one is Print layout, which is default. Shows how the document will appear when printed. The next one is Web layout. Displays content as it would appear in a web browser. The next one is Outline view. Helps structure and rearrange headings. The next one is Dropped view. Simplifies the display by hiding margins and images. How to switch views. Click the View tab and select a view mode, or use the view buttons at the bottom right corner of the Word window. Here you can see we have all these quick access options as well for read mode, for print layout, and for web layout as well. Choosing the right view improves focus and workflow depending on your task. Navigating a document efficiently. The navigation pane helps you quickly navigate documents, especially when working with multiple sections. To open it, we'll go to the View tab. Alright. Then we'll click on the navigation pane. Here you can see that. We'll check that. And a sidebar has been opened. Use it to jump to headings, pages, or search results. Like we can use any of these if we have all the data available in this document file. Then we can use this as a search options as well. Using the go-to feature. If you need to navigate by page number, section, or line, press Ctrl+G if you're using Windows, or Command+G if you're using Mac. For that, we'll just press Ctrl+G, and here you can see we can go to the page number as well, or section, or line. For example, if we had the data as well, then we will just add the number. For example, I just want to go to line number 1. We'll go to close that. So here you can see this is the first line of the document, so it just go to that specific one line as we just entered number 1. So this is how go-to feature work in a Microsoft Word. These tools help locate specific parts of a document without scrolling manually. Adjusting zoom and layout settings. Zooming in and out makes text easier to read, especially on different screen sizes. To adjust zoom, we can just go to the View tab. Alright, and here is the option called Zoom. You can use any of these specific or by default options available, but you can customize it by your own as well. For example, I just want to go with 145. We'll click on that and the page will be zoomed to 145%. Here you can see that as well. Use Ctrl plus scroll wheel if you are using Windows, or Command plus scroll wheel for quick zooming if you are using Mac. For example, we'll just press Ctrl and we'll zoom in by scrolling up, and if we want to zoom out, then we'll just scroll back by just pressing Ctrl. So this is how zooming option works. Side by side and split view. For comparing documents or working on different sections simultaneously, use View. We'll just go to the View tab, and here you can see we have option called Split. Alright, we'll click on that, and here you can see we have two different sections of the same documents. Or if we want to go through the different sections of a document in the same time, so we can just use this split options, and we can just remove split by just clicking on that, and the section will be normalized. These tools enhance productivity, especially when referencing multiple sections of a document. So this is how changing views and navigation document works in a Word document file.